Let's go. Feet away, she's like a primrose. You're never taking me alive, so come close. And I know why you said it, cause I'm reading it.
Lord, guys, it is breakfast time. Oh my gosh, and look at the view. Oh, there's someone there. That is my view, guys. Stunning. I look so tired. I'm just so sleepy. Ang sarap matulog dito. Ang lamig kasi. But let's go and eat breakfast. So again, we just woke up talaga. I was just working in jacket. And look. Oh, so kagabi it was low tide. Now it's not na. And there is the baby. Good morning, baby. Here's tocino, tortang tulong, tinapa. Those are the foods that we got. And like the egg.
Isa pa, chicken joy, hamburger, cheeseburger, and french fries. Ooh, ah, masarap, Jollibee. Sabay kami.
Hey guys, so this is the beach outfit. So I have my shades. This from Miniso. These are from Lazada. Top. This is from TikTok shop. Pero nakalagay Shein swimmer siya. And then bracelets. You know, yes. Case is also from TikTok shop. And this is from Lazada ata or TikTok shop. Guys, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na cracked screen ko. Wait lang. Here it is. There is my... Can you see? Oh, you guys can see. Pero, you know, parang siyang may line dyan, diba? Yan siya. So, clumsiness. I will just go and we're getting some na, so...
Hypnotized, I don't know why she got me feeling this way. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. And I'm mesmerized like every night.
So, we are on our way to Kapsat La Union. And I went atas, mom and papa are behind, are at the back pala. And then, Ate Joy does not have a baby at the moment because nakita na Ate Miriam, Kuya, Ate Joanne, and Kuya Joel. Guys, medyo pinairal ko yung siguro dito.
6.5 hours later.
Sarado. So,
2,000 years later.
sino lang yun? Si Bateka? Ano oh?
One eternity later.
Pinairal ko ang aking katangahan. Tumama ako sa kahoy habang naglalakad. Ayun oh. Galing ko. So, yeah. I will just update you na lang later. Hindi na ako nakapag-video ng get ready with me ko for this outfit. Kasi inayos ko lahat sila. Actually, get ready with me with my 4 sisters. So, actually with my mom also. Lahat sila inayusan ko ng gamit. So, pero yan. Okay. Update ko lang when may food na. Bye! Guys, so we're in Kapsat La Union na. Kapsat. And we're just booking our food. We don't know what to decide. I'll just show you guys along. We're still deciding what food we're gonna eat, but I will be showing you later the food and also the prices of it.
Isang beef caldereta na, matik mo.
Babies.
We got kapsat
We got
pansit.
kapsat pansit.
Lengua.
Lengua. It's 430. Kapsat pansit 430. Wagyu beef sisig 390. What else? We got calamari, which is 370. Pork belly, which is 380. And plain rice of 45 pesos. And we got 6 of those. And 9 lang. Sorry, I thought sham was 6. And we also got iced tea. But we got the pitcher and it's 200 pesos. So that's our all-in-all costing. And also, how many did we get for the others? 2 pancit, right? 2 pancits. 2 pancits. And the rest are 1. Oh, the iced tea. The iced tea is 2. So, yes, I'm gonna show you when the food is here now. What? You have your is this liempo? Liempo, wagyu sisig, calamari, the rice, and sisig. Samida, yummers. Wala is the pancit. Kapsat pancit. Hey! Yummy.
Hypnotized, I don't know why she got me feeling this way. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. I'm mesmerized like every night by every word she'll say. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. Yeah, she doesn't know that she's got a. She's got
Where is the Where is the Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very good, I think. Run away. Run away. So,
Galing yun ng gigas ako yung binili.
so for the serving, almost very little, but nakakabusog siya. The pancit is yung pinakamadaming serving, so we actually had to, Ate Min and Ate John had to like, you know, gave their all to finish it kasi nabusog kami lahat. All in all, the food was like really great. So yeah. Ate Miran and Kuya Jared is Coco Mama. So it is, what we got is, they say it's really good here. So what we got is the medium 4 scoops, 9 of that, and with mango. And you can choose either original coconut, or coco pandan, or mixed. The small is, no, I don't know. Small is 2 scoops, medium is 4 scoops, and large is 6 scoops. So this is 380, 280, and 180. It's the pandan. Wait lang, natatanggal. So it's Coco Mama na onion. So there's sticky black rice, pinitig, mango, pandan, and coconut flavor na. It's in that type of ano. We ordered 9. Also na Ate Miriam ordered 9. So yes. Hey, so hi guys. While the baby's watching. So here's the coconut. And basically, meron siyang coconut strips sa baba. Wait lang. I can't get it. May coconut strips sa baba. It came from the coconut itself. So, let's go and taste this.
Ano yun? May ano siya, may antena siya.
It's good. Not too sweet.
Ano yung ano pa niya? Ano ang kuya?
Gone like the whole world stopped for her, but she couldn't care. She got me dancing through the streets like I'm Fred Astaire. Hunger turning Sinatra song. She took me to the moon and we kept on going. Like the whole world stopped for her, but she couldn't care. She got me dancing through the streets like I'm Fred Astaire.
El Union coffee. It's like cinnamon na iced coffee, no? Cinnamon vanilla coffee. Oh, how much is this? Horchata. Dirty horchata. How much is it, ate?
This one, I think it's 140
140 pesos. It's the biggest size na.
with rice milk and coffee. Cinnamon is
Pretty good. Can I try? What's this one naman?
chocolate yan.
This is mocha. This is matapang. What's this? What's this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Cold brew plus
Signature chocolate.
Okay, so it's cold brew mocha with signature espresso. How much is this? 170 for this large one.
Oh my God!
It's iced pala, guys. Hey guys, so we just came back from eating lunch at the same time having dessert. So one funny thing that happened recently is we just signed up. Okay, not sponsored or anything, but the, I guess, caretaker or the one who's managing everything here came up to our door and mentioned that all we needed to do is to just sign up a link form and we were able to get free we were able to get free Garnier packs. We were able to just, all we needed to do is place our name, email, at the same time agree on like receiving emails and stuff like those. So since all of us went and add it, we went like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It one's down there. My sister has it. She opened it na kasi. So she doesn't want to show it now. Pero, because see, as you guys can see, it's locked. So I'm gonna go and just open one, and it will just be mine along. But here it is. So when you open it, first things first, the one you're gonna see is paper. Charot. Is sunblock, vitamin C. You guys can hear my family, sorry for that. Face wash, vitamin C. This is the serum, booster serum for your face. And lastly, another serum again. So that's all in this cute little pouch of the Garnier. So yeah, great. 10 out of 10 really. The Escape, I can certainly say this place is really amazing. Perfect for everything. So okay, I'm gonna update you guys later on and see you. Here are the packs, guys. Look how nice it is and pretty. We got the bucket ba, BBQ platters. Isa na nabaw, isa na baway, pwede na lang after party. For 4,449. And we got the Sari Salt bucket ba, yung yogi. Sinigang na baboy. We have isaw barbecue. barbecue platter.
Hypnotized, I don't know why she got me feeling this way. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. And I'm mesmerized like every night by every word she'll say. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. Yeah, she doesn't know that she's got a hold. She's got a certain kind of gravity, and she doesn't know that I want her so. And when I see her, I believe every hunger turns into song. She took me to the moon and we kept on going, like the whole world stopped for her, but she couldn't get. She got me dancing through the streets like I'm Fred Astaire. Got me dizzy, head is spinning when she comes around. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. Yeah, she's the only thing that keeps me in this lonely town. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. Yeah, she doesn't know that she's got a hold. She's got that certain kind of gravity, and she doesn't know that I want her so. And when I see her, I believe in every hum.
Hey guys, so currently getting ready. It is our third day and also will be the last day. I currently am getting ready. I'm actually using the one that was given to us yesterday. With the sign up. I already placed like sunblock. I'm gonna place now the
Marites, so tingin mo.
vitamin C serum cream. This is not for sale, guys. Literally did not pay for this. Hello! The baby is looking for me.
Punta na. Ay, ganyan ka.
Because definitely my skin is harsh. This one, it's an eyebrow pencil. It's my mom's. I don't know what brand this is.
Ang hirap, mas mayroon ko. Ay, nad ko na ngayon sa BPL natin. Babayaran.
beautiful view again. Look at this scenery once more. Bye bye. We're leaving now. This is my outfit, a crop top with, this is actually from a small business. I have a bandana because I just can't with my bands talaga. Ang kulit niya. And yeah, I'm wearing a jacket. Yes, this is self-explanatory. So, pauwi na kami. Not sure where else we're going or what itinerary we're going. Pero I'll update you naman. So yeah, hope you guys like the LU vlog for this. Bye guys! It's a wonderful place. We're leaving for good. Sorry. Everyone is still getting their things. We're on our way home. Bye guys! Yeah, definitely I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. There's so much information. I hope you guys comment down below if it was very helpful. Don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe to my YouTube account and also to my social media accounts. January_24 for my Instagram and January24 the small J for my TikTok. So yeah.
10 feet away, she's like a primrose.
Touchdown, 11:47 p.m. Sleeping time. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.
Now I'm not who I used to be. Maybe it's a good thing, got a good thing coming, it's a good thing.